Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable option that dims flashlights on the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it's all going to work the same. So, what you want to do is to go to the settings and then go down a little bit to the accessibility. Once you're here, you want to go open the motion, and here you have this option called dim flashing lights. So what it does, that video content that depicts repeated flashing or strobing lights will be automatically dimmed. The video timeline will display when flashing lights occur in the content for supported media. So if you're going to watch a video on YouTube, for example, and in that video there are going to be the flashlights and you can't watch them, for example, you want to have this feature on because it will be automatically dimmed, so you won't get flashing and strobing lights from your screen. So now we have this feature on, and now we do have it on. Now we do have it on, and now we do have it off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.